Tired of client projects getting lost in the shuffle? Let's transform that chaos into streamlined success by setting up a dedicated Basecamp project, ensuring crystal clear communication and happier clients, all in under 90 seconds. First, from your Basecamp home screen, click on the bright green New Project button. This is where the magic begins. Now, give your project a clear and concise name. I recommend including the client's name in the title. For example, Website Redesign Acme Corp. This makes it easy to identify at a glance. Next, it's time to add your team members and, most importantly, your client. Simply start typing their name or email address and select them from the list. Crucially, ensure your client has the right level of access. Check the box that allows them to see project progress, participate in discussions, and upload files. This fosters transparency and trust. Now, customize your project by selecting the Basecamp tools. We'll need things like the message board for general communication, Totos for task management, and the schedule for important deadlines. Kick things off with a welcome message on the message board. Greet your client and briefly outline the project's objectives and how you plan to use Basecamp for communication. And that's it. You've successfully created a dedicated Basecamp project for your client with organized communication and clear visibility. You're setting the stage for a smooth and successful collaboration. Now go, get those projects done.